Hello students and welcome to DA Moil Public School Sita Savangi. Let's begin an online session of Standard 6th Mathematics with your teacher Mrs. Vandana Gagre. Today in the lesson Factors and Multiples we are going to discuss about the more test of divisibility. So we have studied in the previous session about the divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the digit at one's place is divisible by 2, that is, if the digit at one's place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the digit at one's place is 0 or 5. Divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the digit at one's place is 0. Divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its digit at tens and ones place is divisible by 4. Divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the digits at hundreds, tens and ones place is divisible by 8. So these are the divisibility tests which we have studied in the previous session. Today we are going to study about the more test of divisibility. So let's see. Divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. See the example. Here we have to add all the digits of the number, so the addition is 12. And as 12 is divisible by 3, the total number, the given number is also divisible by 3. See the second example. Here the sum of the digit is 14. That is 5 plus 4 plus 5 equals to 14. And 14 is not divisible by 3 and therefore the given number is not divisible by 3. Answer is no. Divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. Is the given number divisible by 9? So let's see. Find the sum of all the digits. It is 18. And 18 is divisible by 9. And therefore the given number is divisible by 9. See the second example. Here the sum of all digits is 14. And 14 is not divisible by 9, therefore the given number is not divisible by 9. Now divisibility by 11 is little bit different. So let's see. If the difference between the sum of the digits at even and odd places is either 0 or a multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. See the example. Here the 6-digit number is there. So first we have to do sum of the digits at the odd places, and the digits at the odd places are 2, 3 and 1. So let's add it. The addition is 6. Then take the addition of sum of digits at even places. So the digits are 4, 0 and 2. Its addition is again 6. If you take the difference between the sum of the digits, it is 6 minus 6 equals to 0. And as 0 is divisible by 11, so the number is divisible by 11. Here in the difference, if you will get 1, 2, 3 or which are not divisible by 11, then the given number is not divisible by 11. So more about the test of divisibility. Divisibility by 6 is the dependent divisibility because a number is divisible by 6 if and only if it is divisible by its co-prime factors, means 2 and 3. The co-prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. So if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. So here 42 number is given. So let's see. 42 is divisible by 2, yes, and 42 is also divisible by 3, means 42 is divisible by both 2 and 3, and therefore 42 is divisible by 6. See the second example. 45 divisible by 6? Answer is no. Why? Let's see. Because 45 divisible by 3, but 45 is not divisible by 2 because it is the odd number. and therefore 45 is not divisible by 6. Answer is no. Now if a number is divisible by another number, then it is divisible by each factor of that number. See the example. 18 is divisible by 6 and the factors of 6 are 1, 2 and 3. And therefore 18 is also divisible by 1, 2 and 3. If a number is divisible by two co-prime numbers, then it is divisible by their product. Co-prime numbers we have studied already. Two numbers whose highest common factor is 1. When nothing is common and only 1 is common, then that numbers are co-prime numbers. So here in the example 4 and 3 are the co-prime numbers. So 24 is divisible by 4 and 24 is also divisible by 3, and therefore 24 is divisible by their multiplication, means 4 multiplied by 3, that is equals to 12. This is what the property says. Now if the two given numbers are divisible by a number, then their sum is also divisible by that number. See the examples. Here 8 and 12 are divisible by 4. So if you take the sum of these two numbers, that is 20, that 20 is also divisible by 4. As sum, now this is for the difference. If the two numbers are divisible by a number, then their difference is also divisible by that number. So here in the example 15 and 35 are divisible by 5. Take their difference, that equals to 20. So 20 is also divisible by 5. So it's time for an assignment, my dear students. Today we have learnt about the divisibility test of 3, 9, 11 and 6. Now it's time to check your understanding. So here is a small assignment for you. Hope you will solve it. Thank you. Have a nice day.